What's up guys, welcome to a new probosciss video, and I bought this duck launcher and the ducks it shoots are literally so cute, like just look at them. Anyways, in my last video I forgot to mention this Capomania bundle over here. Yeah, and without further ado, let's check out the updates wall. Weekly Parkour 19, mountains ... what happened to mountains? New glass bridge pattern, new rainy day cosmetics, new rainstorm, thunderstorm cycle in forest, Sigma top hat is gone for now, beach map upgrades, bug fixes, new setting, new mirror in shop, new people on the shadow wall. Let's check out the shadow wall. And the new setting. Ooh, damn. Weather to activate. Can I activate this with my deck? And the shadow wall. I don't know who was here before, so yeah. Where can I put in a code in here with my deck? Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Good to see them. Applications are open in the Discord. I'm definitely applying again. I still have the YouTuber badge, but I'm not equipping it since I'm not a YouTuber right now, so I don't want to equip it, so yeah. And I can't, most likely. Anyways, I want to grab it somewhere where it's not that buggy, because sometimes when I grab it, like last time I muted myself, I put the VOV on max and stuff. It's not raining right now, like the smoothing I just turned on. Anyways, it's not raining right now, so I'm gonna wait till it rains and put a clip right over here of it raining or thunderstorming. Yeah. Sure. I muted to music, so yeah. The duck launcher, stay here. It's the last chance to get it. Then, well, if you want this cool duck launcher, then you should get it. The walking umbrella. First of all, the rain hat, I think it was called. I forgot. Looks like this. Then the raindrop badge looks like this. And the walking umbrella. Oh, it's not this. Oh, it's trigger button. Yeah, this is sick. This is sick. This is really cool. Anyways, what's next? Oh yeah, the beach upgrades. Yeah, I come beach upgrades. I'm sorry, I don't know if I get copyright. She sort of new palms. So cool and sound effect. Oh no. I don't know if these were here before or not. What else changed? I don't see. Tip the music and so. Oh, I can see different tunnels. What happened? What happened? Where is the video? How did I touch the water from there? Need to get out of here before that happens again. Last time when I was just looking around beach, I just started floating in the air because of all of that. Anyways, I think that's it for these. If I missed something, please comment down below. Anyways, let's go to mountains. And I'm sorry for the cat, I accidentally pressed on stop recording. Yippee. Oh, let's go to oh wait, what? What happened here? The sign fell down? Did a snowstorm happen or something? No, this is not snow, this is snow. I'm done. No, not mountains. Not the beautiful mountains, oh Steve. Down. Anyways, and let's check out Wiki Part 2. If mountains is broken. What's else? Anyways, the secret word for this video. Did you find it or not? What do you get for winning? 9, right? 19, week 19, sorry. Rain cloud. Okay, let's look at this. Clouds. W. Imagine I do this first try. That's not gonna happen. No, I knew it. It's not gonna happen. Right after I said that, wasn't it obvious? Why did I say that? Whew. Okay, this one is quicker than the last time, I think. Let's go. Oh, over here now. Second try, yay! And what's my time? What's my time on this? 95 seconds. Why? Why? How much you have? You had exactly 60 seconds, I think. So I almost lost. Damn. Anyways, rain cloud. It's on my head. I quickly show you. Here, this looks sick. Oh, it rains down or it storms down. Week 19. W. Anyways, that's it for the video. So, like and subscribe. And by the way, get ducked.